Okay, this is the Discover the Pythagorean Theorem. And just so you know, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So they're saying triangle whose lengths have 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to make this 3, 4, and 5. So now this would be 3 squared, this would be 4 squared, and this would be 5 squared. Now, just for ha-has, we're going to do 3 here. So 3 to the second power is 9. So 3 times 3, so I'm going to color in 9 squares. And then I'm going to color in 9 squares over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is 4 squared. So this is 4. So 4 times 4 squared is 16 squares. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I'm going to color in 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, if we take 9, and this is 16, 9 plus 16 equals 25. So that's perfect. So side A is 9 squares. Side B is 16 squares. And side C is 25 squares. So the answer is, what do you find? Side A squared plus side B squared equals side C squared. So A to the second power is 9 plus 4 to the second power is 16 equals 5 to the second power equals 25. So it all works out. Really quick intro. Thanks for listening.